Do you have a front door that kind of looks like this? Well, I'm going to show you how to easily transform this door into this in only 10 steps. Let's get to work. All right, we're all set here. Job took just under 2.5, 3 hours to do it properly. As you saw, all the steps were broken down in this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. I'd be more than happy to answer them. If you could, go ahead and hit the like button if you did enjoy this content, and also subscribe so you never miss the latest content that I'm going to be putting out there. I do appreciate you guys. Stay handy, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.